Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's how-to video, I'm going to show you how to change your thumbnail in TikTok after posting a video. So in order to do this, first of all, open up your TikTok app. Now, as you open up your TikTok app and land on your profile page, you will see the number of videos that you have posted along with their thumbnails. Now, to change a thumbnail to a particular video, just simply tap on the video. Now here what you can see is three dots. Click on those three dots. When you click on those three dots, you will see that you have various options available, except that you cannot edit a video that you have already posted on TikTok. So in order to change the thumbnail of the video that you posted, you will have to delete the video. So make sure that you delete the video. When a confirmation message pops up, tap on confirm. And this is how your video gets deleted. And now if you have to change the thumbnail to that particular video that you deleted, you have to re-upload it. In order to re-upload it, on the lower section you have a plus icon, tap on the plus icon. Then tap on upload. Now thankfully TikTok saves most of your videos that you have uploaded into your gallery, so you can simply just tap on the video and you can select the video and then tap on next. Once you're done doing this, tap on next again. And here, if you'd like to use some effects, simply use the effects, or else just leave it, then tap next. And here you have the option of selecting a cover. Now I am going to select a cover for the video. I'm just scrolling around to see what are the options that are available for me. So here you will notice that it doesn't only take one frame, it takes at least 2 frames in order to form it into a certain kind of an animation. So I'm just gonna select the best one, then tap on save. Now when I tap on save, I can simply just describe the video, use any kind of hashtags that I want. After I'm done doing this, I can simply just post the video. So when your video gets uploaded, you will see that your cover photo, your thumbnail has now changed to something else that you just set to. So this is how you change your thumbnail on TikTok after you post a video. Hopefully TikTok will soon be able to come up with a feature that will make this more easier than having to delete the video. But for now, this is how you do it. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. If you like the video, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.